Tama, kami po yung nakapaghala na ng aming pang real estate. Lahat ng about real estate, solid na po kaming tatlo. At madami pa tayo, all about real estate. Thank you, Sir Roger. Mama Aileen, ng ating incoming president. Talaga naman. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Roger, Ma'am Aileen. Thank you. Well done. Thank you po. Tuloy pang meeting namin sa akin, Sir Rodner.